Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So, given the relationship here between x and y here, can we truly say that y is inversely proportional to x? Okay, so remember when you're told that y is inversely proportional to x, inside your mind you should visualize this graph here. It should have this kind of a relationship where this is x and this is y. And also when you're told that y is inversely proportional to x, inside your mind you should be able to visualize this. Y um, equals a certain number over x, and then if you times both sides, so when you are given this here, you are allowed to visualize it like this. Okay, now if you times both sides by x, then that will give you yx equals k. So what that means is if y is truly inversely proportional to x, then when you get y times x, it should always be the same number for this for these two bits here, and for these two bits here, and for these two bits here. The k value for this pair will be the same value as for this k. Basically, this k here for these two will be the same for the k here for these. Well, anyway, all the k's should be the same if they are if y is truly inversely proportional to x. Well, anyway, do whatever you want to determine if y is truly inversely proportional to x. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so given if y is truly inversely proportional to x, then we could say y equals a certain number over k. Okay, now times both sides by x. So uh, if if y is truly inversely proportional to x, then this should also be true. By the way, this is a k. Okay, so now let's test it. Let's find out the k value for this here. So get y times x. So get y, so which is 2 over 3 times x, which is this bit here, half. That equals well, let's just say these two cancel out, and that should be a third. So the k value for this here would be 1 over 3. Okay, now let's try and find out the k value for this pair here. So get a quarter times 4 over 3. 4 over 3. These two, hang on, these two would cancel out, giving you 1 over 3. You see, remember, when you get y times x, it should always be the same number, whatever that number is. In this case, well, here the k value for this pair here would be 1 over 3. So far, so good, because here the k value is a third, here the k value is a third. Now let's do this one here. So it will be 1 over 6 times 6 over 7. These two would cancel out, so that equals 1 over 7. You see, the k value for this pair here is 1 over 7. Now, if y is truly inversely proportional to x, then all the values of k will be the same. But here you've got a third, and a 7. So you know that you cannot say this. You cannot say y is inversely proportional to x. Okay.